Property Owner Files, Season 7, Episode 6. What replaces the portfolio? Is being a landlord really worth it? At some point, ownership becomes lighter. Fewer properties, fewer decisions, less urgency. But that creates a new question. What replaces what you let go of? Today's file is about what comes after the portfolio. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. What replaces the portfolio? Letting go creates space. But space can feel unfamiliar. After years of activity, buying, managing, optimizing, a quieter schedule can feel incomplete. Not because something is missing, because something is changing. Today's file is about that transition. What actually replaces the portfolio when you no longer need it to take up your time? Stay until the end, because what replaces it isn't what most people expect. And if these conversations help you think more clearly about ownership and life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. The space feels unfamiliar. When you reduce ownership, the first thing you notice isn't financial. It's time. Fewer calls, fewer decisions, fewer interruptions. And that space can feel uncomfortable. Because for years, activity defined progress. So when activity disappears, it can feel like something is wrong. But nothing is wrong. You've just removed noise. Still watching? This is where the shift begins. Part 2. Clarity starts to expand. Without constant decisions, your thinking changes. You're no longer reacting. You're observing. You start noticing things that were always there. How much time you actually have. What you actually enjoy. What matters outside of ownership. Clarity expands into the space that activity used to occupy. Still watching? This next shift is more personal. Part 3. You rediscover choice. Ownership often creates structure, schedules, responsibilities, obligations. And over time, those structures can feel permanent. But when you step back, you realize something simple. You have more choice than you thought. How you spend your time, what you focus on, what you prioritize. And that realization changes how you think about everything. Still watching? This is where identity shifts again. Part 4. You build different things. When ownership is no longer the primary focus, you don't stop building. You just build differently. Relationships, health, time freedom, intentional routines, things that don't show up on balance sheets, but shape your life far more. Still watching? This leads to the final realization. Part 5. The real replacement. The portfolio doesn't get replaced by something bigger. It gets replaced by something quieter. Space, choice, clarity. Not constant growth, not constant activity, just alignment. And that's what most people don't expect, because they think letting go creates loss, when in reality, it creates room. When ownership becomes lighter, your life becomes clearer. In the next file, we redefine what wealth actually means. After everything you thought mattered starts to change. This is Property Owner Files.